I was sent this Kinetic recovery rope at no charge for the purpose of this review. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bag and check it out. So packaged nicely in this bag, you get the actual Kinetic recovery rope itself. And when they mean kinetic, these give a little bit. So when you pull something, let's say you attach it to your vehicle and you attach it to another vehicle, when you go to pull, this kind of gives a little bit and then it pulls back, and it gives you kind of that extra pull power to pull somebody out. So you have that, and it's got this nice little strap around it to hold that together. It's got 2 recovery point straps. These are very cool because just because you have an end loop on here doesn't mean you always have a hook that's easily available to hook to. Sometimes you have to strap through something and you have to use something like this. So that's great that it comes with 2 of those. And it comes with this safety cover. You put this over the rope when you're pulling it to keep it from having that kind of whip type of thing. This is supposed to act kind of like, I guess you could say, a parachute that's supposed to be hugging on there, and it kind of slows it down. It's just somewhat of a safety feature to add in the middle of these ropes to hopefully reduce the chance of that coming back at you if it does snap. So that's everything in the package. Let me show you how this hooks up to your vehicle. All right, so if I needed to hook this up to my truck, this is basically what I would do. I would take one of the loop ends like this. I would slip this over the ball hitch like this to give it a nice smooth area so that this doesn't get all cut up. If you don't have a ball on here and you have a receiver, then you've got different places you have to be creative to hook up to. Like I've got these chain holes right here where you put your safety chains, but I probably wouldn't even put it there. I would probably wrap it around the arm of the receiver hitch that goes up underneath my bumper, or I would look for a better place underneath the truck to be able to wrap this through to connect to. What you don't want to do is put this somewhere where you're going to have a sharp edge that could cut into this rope. Now, let's go look at the front on how I'd hook it up, because I don't have one of these in the front. So now if I would need someone to help recover me or get me out of a jam, I wouldn't be able to use this end of the rope because I can't get it through this little hole here where my recovery hooks are. But that is why these are in the kit. So you simply push this part of the shackle through the loop, you reach in, grab the other part of the shackle, and then now you have that hanging out here. So then you take this end of the toe strap, open it up, pull the knot through, then you push the knot through the hole on the other side of the shackle. There's a loop there. And now you have the shackle run through your recovery loop. It's wrapped around the knot, and the toe strap is now connected to your recovery loop using the shackle. So this has a really high breaking point, so this should be able to pull your vehicle with no problem. And then of course, now you got your front hooked up and you're able to recover your vehicle from the front. These Kinetic recovery straps are really good in low traction situations. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.